Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, Barb's Favorite Foods, or BFF for short. This is my first video, so please be nice. I wanted to create a space where I could share some of my favorite food recipes with you all. I'm definitely not a pro, but I love to cook and bake for my friends and family. Food is love in my opinion. A little bit about me. I'd say that my cooking style is comfort food classics. Sometimes I'll follow a recipe or sometimes I like to wing it. I like to eat lots of ethnicities, including my own. I definitely don't like things that are too fussy or too precious. Sort of just like down-home, comfortable food. Let's get into today's recipe. Today I'm going to make a pesto flatbread, which is a great appetizer idea to make if you want to entertain friends, you want something that feels like a really fresh, homemade dish, but has a few elements that are from the store and a few elements you've made yourself ahead of time. Basically, you can add whatever toppings you want. My advice is to keep it simple. Too many toppings and your flatbread's going to be soggy. Today, I'm making a vegetarian flatbread, but if you wanted to add a protein, totally up to you. First thing to do is to preheat the oven to 450. In the summertime, I make the flatbread on the barbecue, but today I'm making it in the oven. First thing you want to do is to grease your pan. I have a store-bought pizza dough that I'm gonna spread into the pan. It does not have to be super perfect. And I'm adding an additional cheese because who doesn't love cheese? I happen to have this in the fridge, but if you don't, only one type of cheese will be fine. Once I've taken it out of the oven, I let it cool for a few minutes. One of the things I'm going to do to finish it is add a homemade chili oil. So there you have it, guys. My pesto flatbread. Great for a crowd. Amazing appetizer, great with beer. If you want to see more of my favorite recipes, be sure to subscribe so you'll be notified when a new video comes up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.